they're all gone, she'll ride, wishing now that she swam. Let her own move, your only friend, but he too is swimming away an inch more every year, and almost forgot about the others years here. Took a few hundred light years for the bad air to clear up out of here. Soon now the stars swell and blow down and turn bright red. At least that's what we said. We might have them to it. We're all going along again, simple elements again, tumbling in the solar winds, in and out, they'll spin some different direction, somewhere else a similar situation, some random formation, occurring the same equation, building new structure. They're all gone, she said, but sorry to fall blind. It's the following guidelines. Don't approach, push to swirl in some other new starlight. Soon out to the stars will releasing brand news. Dark matter and toxic fumes. It's just a dusty interstellar